According to China EV Post, CATL increased its share in China's electric vehicle battery market in June. CATL's share rose by 1.19 percentage points to 45.06%. BYD's share dropped by 3.65 percentage points to 25.32%. China's power battery installations reached 42.8 gigawatt-hours in June, a 30.2% increase year-on-year. CATL installed 19.05 gigawatt-hours, maintaining the top spot. BYD installed 10.70 gigawatt-hours, ranking second. CALB ranked third with 3.10 gigawatt-hours. Lithium ternary battery installations were 11.1 gigawatt-hours, making up 25.9% of the total. Lithium iron phosphate battery installations were 31.7 gigawatt-hours, accounting for 74%. CATL, CALB, and Svolt Energy led in ternary battery installations. In the LFP battery market, CATL, BYD, and CALB had the highest volumes. Notably, CATL overtook BYD in LFP battery installations in June. You are listening to Yuan News.